I'm trying to get a better angle, y'all. Hold on. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. What am I doing to you? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just trying to get all the angles. Technical difficulty at its finest. I don't know why I ain't grab my big tripod. I grabbed this little one. Alright, yo. I am cooking. It's kind of late, but never too late. I got some chicken thighs and this jerk. I got me some rice that just got through. I'm finished washing this meat. But hey, yo, it's been a minute. Today was a good day. I got called off today. So I was at work for like 3 hours. Got called off. We had so many kids I was sick, but the flu going around bad at my job. Like my poor baby. We had about maybe 20 kids show up today. So they had a good bit out, about 15 or so. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited. I am blessed. I've been praying a lot lately, talking to God. You know, He has been answering my prayers. I mean, I'm just getting a closer relationship with God, and I'm loving it. I'm not perfect, trust me, but I'm loving this new journey, this new chapter. I got a lot coming, y'all. A lot of exciting news. And yeah, I'm gonna record it all for y'all. I guess I could speak on a little bit. I will be moving tomorrow to a bigger place by myself. But yeah, I'm excited. I am excited. But today is Thursday. I think like that. 20th. Yeah. Yeah. It's almost 7 o'clock at night. I got home and I just chilled for real. Like, I talked to my sister and my niece on the phone for a minute. Video called them. And I rested. I shopped. I was supposed to start packing, but yeah, I have not started packing. I'm moving tomorrow. Good luck to me, huh? Alright. Alright, yo. I got all my clean meat right here. I'm gonna just drain because it a little bloody water. I'm gonna just season it. Seasoning pack. And there's two like marinade packs. We say to add this first to the chicken, the seasoning, and this jerk seasoning. Add this to the chicken and then sear it. All my life I had to fight. Okay. This garlic sauce and a little seasoning pack. Mm. Try to get more water out. It's still like all the juice is water still draining from the chicken. That's what it- All right, y'all. I added some extra seasoning, so I'm about to mix that up and set that aside while I start on my sauce. I just had to put some oil in the bottom of the pan. Yo, this looks so seasoned, bro. Like, set that aside. Put these in the refrigerator while I work on the sauce. Rinsing my hands real quick. All right, yo. My oil, and I put some Jamaican jerk marinade in a. Go ahead and add the garlic sauce. Don't need a knife. And put that down. I don't want it to burn. And make sure this was next. Yep. So for 3 minutes, I'll let this cook before I add the chicken. A little sauce. I gotta smell everything. I can't. Yeah, it smells good. It smells a lot of seasoning. It's real garlic, so this just garlic paste and whatever seasonings, whatever they got. Yeah, I hope this good. This is my first time trying this. All right, y'all. I got my chicken going. I done pulled it out the refrigerator and put it in a pan. Yeah. Yeah. Talk about season. I'm trying to get a better angle, y'all. Hold on. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. What am I doing to you? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just trying to get all the angles. I'm trying to get the angles. Technical difficulty at its finest. I don't know why I ain't grabbed my big tripod. I grabbed this little one. Oh, Lord. To be continued.
There's a little, like a place, like a, what you call it, they used to have those, they used to have them, I forgot what you call it. Like Jabos and stuff back in the day. They're like serving people well.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess so like I think they had 5 of them food vouchers, 4 or 5 of them, and then they did like donuts to their stuff, and then they like food. Like elementary, my first one. But I went over there, and that was my first one I've been to in public turnaround, because I usually did a food one with the city. So I want to go down there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
I finally got there.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. You know, I think, I don't know how long ago this been. I don't know if real you, because I'm always buying stuff. I don't know who bought it. I was like,
Now you at what?
that rice that my sister gave me, I was good. I'll just have a little, it'll be another little rice and chicken. Just, I'm sure that ain't gonna, that's just meat. You ain't put rice with it. That would have made it more filling.
Yeah, I had this.
That's look good. I'm just flipping them, y'all. I got corporate in the background. If y'all don't watch that, you need to. I don't know if I'm doing that on the side. I gotta see what I got. Yeah, my hotspot keep going out.